I 3D printed this shower shelf. It doesn't have any groundbreaking features, so what makes it so special? Well, I purchased several shower organizers over the years. They generally had all the same standard features, except some were the kind that makes the shower feel like an airplane bathroom. Some were the kind that slowly slips down the shower head like an office worker counting down to 5 o'clock. Oh, and let's not forget the suction cup variety, the engineering equivalent of trust me. So every morning I end up right back here. I mean, the shower floor technically works in the same way your kitchen floor works as a pantry. Okay, if you're still hanging around at this point, you're probably wondering, why am I watching a YouTube video about a guy making a shower shelf? Stick with me. I didn't want to drill into the shower wall. Who knows how that would turn out? So I started eyeing the handhold that was already fixed to the shower wall. Step one was create a cardboard shelf and some brackets for a proof of concept to see if I could fix it to the handhold. 4 people use the shower though, we better stretch that shelf around the corner. That should make enough space for the bottles. Let's move over to the computer now. I add a lip to the shelf so that soap bottles don't fall off. That's going to collect water, so now let's add some drain holes. And actually we're going to make these a little bit bigger so I can squeeze every ounce of soap out to save money for my next 3D printer. Might as well make some holes for the razors too. And don't forget the washcloth hooks, as many as possible. Done. You'll notice in this video, I'm using the CryoGrip Glacier print plate. BQ and Big Tree Tech sent this over for evaluation. More videos to come on this. It does a great job of keeping your print fixed to the print bed, especially on these large flat pieces like this shelf. Okay, time to assemble and install. I like using brass heat set inserts to make a stronger connection, and it makes me irrationally happy to use hardware with 3D prints. It made installation a breeze too. Now everything has its place. Literally thousands of showers later, a barrage of cleaning supplies, and this shower shelf is holding up remarkably well. The only reason I'm replacing it is for those larger holes for the soap bottles. It's been faithfully serving our family shampoo for over 7 years. This project reminded me of why I love 3D printing so much. It's about never having to settle for close enough anymore. And the fact that the shelf has been in our daily family routine for so long and has fit in so well is a testament to how well this product works. 3D printing is such a great community. What's been your favorite print? Drop it in the comments below. And if you liked the video, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and God bless.